This calibration video will take you step by step in helping you get the best picture for your TV. It's really quick, it's really simple to follow, and you can pause each slide and then make the changes that it's asking of you. Once you have made those changes, there are numerous videos throughout the 3B channel that are designed to test the limits of your TV, and you can see how well your TV makes those videos really sing and shine. You will find that once you've made those changes to your TV that you'll enjoy movies more, and it's finally giving you the picture that it was really meant to provide to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And enjoy the video and enjoy your TV. Thanks again.